Hello, I'm Captain Scott Robertson, Commanding Officer of Surface Warfare Officer School, and I am proud to introduce the first of numerous short videos on some of the flagship courses that we offer here at Surface Warfare Officer School. The first one we're going to highlight is our Surface Navigator course, and the purpose is really twofold. First is to inform what our course is about and to capture some of the new and exciting material that we offer here. And secondly, we hope this video serves as a reminder to keep the lines of communication open between the waterfront and the schoolhouse to ensure fleet knowledge and proficiency requirements remain valid. Armor up, sail safe, and enjoy.
The Surface Navigator course at Surface Warfare Officer School in Newport, Rhode Island challenges prospective fleet navigators with a rigorous course of instruction to give them the necessary skills to confidently navigate all surface ships under any shipboard readiness condition. The extensive curriculum provides students with a comprehensive review of rules of the road and introduces them to the technologically advanced methods of electronic chart navigation and GPS, while still emphasizing conventional navigation fundamentals such as paper chart plotting and the use of traditional instruments. In 2015, the Surface Navigator course added an additional week of curriculum to re-emphasize the importance of celestial navigation, including 2 practical tutorials at the Planetarium in Mystic, Connecticut and Brenton Point State Park.
We bring our students here once per session. We find that it's a great tool to be able to demonstrate to everybody some things related to celestial navigation, such as the celestial triangle in particular. It's really an excellent resource for us to use here to kind of really drive home with the students some of these celestial features that we're trying to get across in the classroom.
To plot where we are in the world based solely on what is naturally available, what is always available, is a capability that we need to have as a Navy for many reasons. In the event that, that there is some failure of GPS while at sea, being able to use the stars and the sun and the moon to determine where we are on Earth is very important. And of course that begins with navigators in the fleet and with the SurfNav course.
At the end of every Surface Navigator course, we take the students out here to Brenton Point State Park, which is the southernmost point of Rhode Island. It gives us an uninterrupted view of the entire horizon from which to base our observations. So the students have sextants and they'll take observations of the sun throughout the day, both before, at, and after local apparent noon. And this will show them how the altitude of the sun will change as it rises approaching local apparent noon and then falls immediately afterwards. It's the last chance for them to practice their mechanical skills using the sextants, which they'll be using out at sea when they're taking observations on their ships. It's really the capstone for the celestial navigation portion of the Surface Navigators course.
Is that your 11th? You should be having more of an angle towards the east.
Until now, I've never had any formal celestial navigation training. So aside from building on my baseline knowledge, this has definitely widened my scope for navigation.
For the most of my career, I've been in the helicopter community, but just received orders to be navigator for USS Nimitz aircraft carrier. It's been a great experience. The instructors have done a great job going through the curriculum and exposing us to the fundamentals and advanced concepts of navigation, as well as celestial navigation, which I think prepares us all to determine where we are any time of day or night. Determine where we are, where we're going, and how to get there.
When navigators and senior quartermasters graduate from the course, they are able to fix the ship's position through celestial navigation. The feedback we've received from the fleet is that they are well prepared, especially after going out, getting a little more hands-on training.
The expansion of the SurfNav curriculum has been highly successful in developing multifaceted, competent surface warfare navigators. With the Navy constantly evolving in the wake of technological advances, the SurfNav course will continue to adapt to ensure students receive the most up-to-date training, while never forgetting to emphasize traditional techniques that have worked for centuries.